We prioritize being a change partner and see it as our responsibility to address the issues faced by small batches in the industry. Our self-developed systems such as LCR incoming material inspection, SMT first article inspection, and mass systems, along with intelligent material and steel grade frames, have enabled us to successfully produce high-performance industrial hubs, including tax hubs, for our customers. Our SMT workshop comprises several simple, small batch, and batch production lines, while the DIP workshop has multiple peak production lines and taste assembly lines. Our main production equipment includes laser steel mesh machines, CNC fixture equipment, Fuji placement machines, 10 temperature zoom with floor soldering, automatic printing machines, SPI solder paste inspection equipment, AOI after furnace temperature testers, BJ testing equipment, independent TFT first article tests, wave soldering, 3 anti-plane sprayers, CNC plate splitters, laser coating machines, and PCBA clearing machines. We have established a multi-channel supply chain system that includes original factory agent plan for docking, a strict supplier certification and management system, and several quality system certifications. Our products meet the latest environmental protection directives of the European Union. We have also set up line automatic pricing, order placement, payment, and production process systems that enable real-time data synchronization of the entire logistics process. Customers can now quickly obtain accurate conditions and monitor the quality of their orders' entire production process.